Python has become very popular, especially in the last 10 years. According to Stack Overflow survey in 2021, Python surpassed SQL to become the third most used programming language. Two of the most important reasons for Python's popularity are its easy syntax and versatility. For example, you can use Python in many fields such as data science, artificial intelligence, web development. In this video, I will talk about 7 reasons why Python is popular. Before getting started the video, we produce content about data science, artificial intelligence, and programming. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Let's take a look at what Python is. Python is an open source, object-oriented, general-purpose programming language. Python was developed about 20 years ago by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch software developer. Young Guido's goal was to develop a syntax-easy programming language to enable everyone to learn software. Indeed, Python accomplished this goal. Programming languages are divided into high-level and low-level. Low-level languages, such as C, are close to machine language, and it's difficult to work with these languages. High-level languages are close to human languages and are easy to work with. Python is a high-level language that is close to human language. Another important feature of Python, it is an interpretive language. So, when you write a code in Python, you can see the result immediately. This feature allows you to see your mistakes more easily. I briefly talk about Python. Now, let's look at the reason why Python is popular. It's generally recommended for beginners to learn Python. Many universities now teach Python to their students in the introduction to programming. This is because Python syntax is easy. You can write Python codes as if you were writing in English. Anyone who knows English can understand Python codes immediately. For example, let's say you want to work with a library. To import this library, simply use the import keyword. Python is a versatile language. Python is used in almost all fields. For example, you can use Python in many areas such as artificial intelligence, data science, web development. You can also use Python as a script language in the DevOps. Python is a highly demanded language in computer science. If you want to learn a language, I recommend you to learn Python. Now, let's move on to another reason. Because Python is so popular, it has a huge developed community. Learning a language is an important investment, right? You spend time and money learning a language. You want to invest in a powerful and up-to-date language. Python's course codes are publicly available. Anyone can contribute to Python. You can contribute to Python if you want. Stack Overflow site is a technology-related forum site. Developers write to this site when they encounter any problems, and Python lovers answer these questions. On this site, 2 million questions about Python were asked and 1.3 million of these questions were answered. In the screen, you can see the number of Python related questions by year on Stack Overflow. When you have a question about Python, you will often find the answer to this question on forums. Even if you can't find it, if you post your question, Python lovers will answer your question. Python community is often updating Python. Python's documentation also is great. There are many reasons on the internet to learn Python. You can easily learn Python from this open source for free. The power of the language is related to number of libraries written in that language. If a language library is rich, you can say that this language is powerful. Python has very rich libraries and frameworks. You may ask that, what are library and framework? Let me explain. If you use a framework or library, you don't have to write your code from scratch. Libraries and frameworks help you for your project. For example, you don't need to write a website from scratch to to develop a website. With the Python Django library, sections such as the admin panel that should be on our site come ready. You can easily make your website using this framework. Let's take a look at the famous Python libraries. One of the Python's most important libraries is NumPy. You can do array operations with NumPy. Since Python is an interpretive language, it is slower than compiled languages. But multi-dimensional array operations with NumPy are about 100 times faster than Python. Pandas library is used for data preprocessing and data cleaning. You can use the Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries in Python to plot graphs. You can use Django and Flask frameworks for web development. You can use Beautiful Soup library to pull information from the internet. There are still 352,000 packages and libraries in Python. I have only mentioned a few of the most important libraries here. Time is money. Automation is very important today in order to use time efficiently. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to do even small tasks. Automation is automating the work that is always done. For example, you want to convert the voice messages sent to your company into text. You can write simple Python code to automate this. Python is a great option for automation as it has many libraries. Internet has become indispensable in our daily life. Computers can connect internet, but you may want to control small items by connecting them to internet. For example, you can connect your smart glasses to the internet and ask them to give you directions while driving. You can control IoT tools such as Raspberry Pi, Arduino with Python. It would not be wrong to say the Internet of Things will enter our lives more in the future. Python is standard language in artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, and deep learning. Job posting in artificial intelligence projects such as driverless cars often require knowledge of Python. Python is a preferred language in the industry. Large companies such as Google, Facebook, Amazon often use Python in their projects. There are many more reasons why Python is popular. In short, Python is an easy to learn and versatile language. I briefly explained the 7 reasons why Python is popular. I hope you enjoy it. You can find more videos about Python and its libraries on our channel. I leave the links of these lessons in the description box below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.